Ganda dito, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog, guys. Nandito kami, kompleto kaming tatlo. Hello everyone! Sabi na Malik. Say hi guys na babe.
Hi guys.
Daddy.
Hi.
Sila hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hello everyone! Nandito kami ngayon, guys. Kompleto Friday. Mag-grocery na naman.
Grocery?
Tagal-tagal na rin
And also I'm buying something.
Makakapag-vlog. Kaya,
I'm
Yeah,
buying
I remember.
Mama, I'm talking to Mama. I'm buying
Sama kasi yung pakiramdam.
I'm buying something big.
Ha?
I'm buying something big.
What big?
Dragon. Toy dragon.
Only this one you are thinking always. Every time we're going out, dragon, dinosaur. What is that? Our room now, it's very small for your toy. So no more dragon, no more dinosaur. That it's enough.
No, I want dragon. They have more space for our home.
No, there's no space. Even we cannot pass now. Ayan guys, mag-grocery.
That's the last one. That's the last one.
Preparation for Ramadan.
That
Kasi
you will buy dragon
2
for me.
weeks, 2 weeks, no? 2 weeks
For Ramadan?
for Ramadan. Or less than.
Today 21, صح?
Less than 2
7
weeks.
days, 1 week.
1 week.
1 week. March 1 will start.
March 1 or
Plus
March
February
2.
28.
Ayan, punta kami ng Pahil ngayon guys. Medyo malayo-layo yung grocery kasi doon may medyo mura. Be practical na lang para sa pang araw-araw.
You going up.
Kasi sobrang Pahil there, not here.
Because I want to put fuel, I take from Force Ringer Road direct.
Ayan, it's like how many hours?
No, quickly, you don't try quickly.
If they go
Less
fast.
than 1 hour.
Mama.
27
30 minutes daw guys na biyahe papuntang Pahil. Kung naalala nyo noon na nag-vlog ako papuntang Pahil. Also that one, no? The one, Nada Clinic for your teeth.
صحيح.
See?
beside Alcott complex. الضمان.
Kasi next week guys, busy na yan. Busy. Next week busy now, no?
Yeah.
So, we cannot going out.
Because هذا for National Day and Liberation Day.
February guys. 2 days kami na walang pasok. Pero baka hindi kami makakalabas
They will
yan.
bump together.
Kasi ano nga, daming ano yan, sasakyan na nagpaparit sa labas. Kaya ewan lang kung makakalabas. Kaya mas mabuti na ngayon mag-ano na lang, grocery ngayong Friday. Ayan, tingnan natin yun. Jamia din, co-op yun, di ba? Pahil co-op. Co-op.
زي ما يقول أوفر.
But make sure that we can buy dira. You remember the one we will be buying. Where is that one?
Police.
Huh?
Zahra.
Masara. We cannot buy now, no? Before we
They
can
said
buy.
they open now for more people. Now they open again. They said like that.
Then why we did not check that?
Okay, but we check this one first because they make low price.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan kami guys. Kailangan mag-practical na lang para sa pang-araw-araw na gastusin.
You check. You look for the time. I remove all the four.
Yeah, you change it.
You sweat?
Ayun. Mag-grocery lang naman kami para doon para sa Ramadan. Pero yung tingnan na lang kung mabili namin lahat yun doon. Pero kasi may nakita din na yung frozen na chicken na medyo mura doon sa kabilang grocery. Kaya dadaanan din namin mamaya.
The why we stop?
Ayan.
So much
traffic
crowded.
ngayon guys. Kaya
The why
Ayan.
Simple mommy.
Tatagalan pa tayo nito. Kaya see you there guys sa mamaya sa grocery na pupuntahan natin.
Yes.
Ayan guys, malapit na kami. Ayan, maganda yung mosque na madadaanan namin. Kaya ayan, no?
Inshallah.
Ito
Nice,
na guys, ang ganda ng mosque na to. Oh. Ngayon ko palang nakakita na ganito open. Kikita sa loob. Laki. Just go straight.
ऐसी किसी जगह यहाँ से
No, just go straight. Oh.
हाँ
You pass in the back eh. Oh.
صحيح.
Ayan, nandito na kami guys. Oh.
جمعية صحيح تعاونية.
Ayan, nandito na kami. Nakarating na rin din.
Beside
Ayan,
this
nandiyan.
mosque.
Ayan guys. See you inside guys. Ayan na. Ganda dito guys. This one, no, caramel. How much? No, just check the price first. Kaya na si Malik. Hoy. How much? This one, 750.
750.
Oh, how many pieces?
This before, this after. 6.
That one more.
That's
369. Maybe that, I don't know. Just check how many. That same brand?
caramel.
Malik. Hi. No, it's... Yeah, he helped you. It's good because I...
I think well for
No. That's why in... Oh, yeah, anything. We will make it here. We will check first. And there's daming phone. There's a flowers there, oh. But this one, I feel something. This one. This one custard.
No, not.
But make it small. This one because like raspberry. Take the small.
Yes, تعال my friend.
No, because this one there.
Wait. هذا؟
Jelly strawberry. The raspberry no.
Jelly this one yeah.
This one no strawberry.
Which one هذا؟
This one no.
هذا؟
Strawberry and banana. No, this one no.
هذا؟
Yeah, that it's raspberry no. Forest rose. Raspberry. You want this one? Malik feels sleepy.
Feel sleepy, huh?
Strawberry, what flavor is this?
Strawberry.
May bata. Hi, bata. Ayan guys, naghihintay kami ng BEM2. Daming pila. Hi, bata. Malik. Hi. Ayan na guys, dami kaming nabili para sa Ramadan pati yung bata batuta Hoy, bata. Malik, what you buy? Puno ang trolley ni Malik ba?
My dragon don't have.
There's no dragon for andun ba sa baba? Mantika.
Actually, I like this one, huh?
But you did not eat this one. Yung dalawa, uwi na kami. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos na yan. Nakagasto si Ahmad ng laki na magasto niya guys. Nakapamili kami ng 35 KD yata yun. Nakita ko 35 KD. Pinamili niya, grabe. Hindi kasi ang dami naman siya kasi pinamili kasi nga para na sa Ramadan. So, dami niyang pinamili. Mumura nila. Ang mura ng mga ang mumura ng mga item. Kaya ayan, naparami yung bili niya. Ayan guys, so uwi na kami. Tapos na kami dito sa Jamia ng Pahil. Ang ganda, ang mura ng bilihin nila. Especially yung BEM2 yung habol namin guys. Kasi yung talagang yun yung pag Ramadan kasi yun yung hindi mawawala sa amin. Kailangan ako, lalo na ako. Yun ang gusto ko. Kasi hindi talaga ako hindi ako ramdam ng uhaw pag mayroon ako nun. Tsaka laban.
Okay. Take your time, no problem, okay?
Grabe yung binili, yung nagasto ni Ahmad lahat, 35 KD. Pero okay lang naman kasi para naman yun sa
But you know,
Ramadan.
nice
Price.
Nice
Maybe
price.
not only now, maybe every time like this for
Yeah,
them.
better if you many time you come here, يعني.
If you need more like this yan.
I think we finish only now for Ramadan. Had a fig is this one, huh?
Then the yogurt, laban, like this.
This one fresh.
Kaya ayan guys, pauwi na kami.
But you know, inshallah, our thing is all nice price.
Nice
If we
price.
bring in ordinary, very high.
Very high.
See, for 8 pieces oil 5 KD only. دينار ربع زي ما take 4. يا مالك.
Buy my dragon.
حاضر يا بابا حاضر دكتور.
Where we can find the dragon. Ayan Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Bali, anong oras na ba? 8:30 na. Nandito pa kami sa Pahil. Mag-drive pa si Ahmad ng 30 minutes. I know, too much people is here.
على بعد 400 متر الاتجاه نحو الطريق.
First time namin dito na pumunta guys. Dito kami nag-grocery para sa Ramadan kasi nakita ni Abu Malik na naka-offer sila kaya be practical. Kaya ayun, siguro yung mga pinamili namin din good for 1 month na rin. Ang dami, grabe. Lahat po, may mga frozen din. Tapos ayan yan, dito na kami sa highway pauwi na ng Parwania.